Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn post images with SmugMug, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your LinkedIn account in your preferred web browser. Navigate to your profile and locate the post containing the image you want to back up. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the post to reveal more options. Select Save or Copy link to keep the post accessible as you move to SmugMug. Open a new tab and go to the SmugMug website. Log into your SmugMug account or create a new account if you don't already have one. After logging in, navigate to the gallery where you want to upload your images. Click on the Upload button, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. In the Upload options, you can either drag and drop the image file or click to select it from your computer. If you save the image from LinkedIn, locate it in your File Explorer or Downloads folder. Select the image file and click Open to begin uploading. While the image uploads, you can add a title or description for future reference. Once the upload is complete, customize the settings for privacy and sharing according to your preferences. Hit Save to finalize your changes and ensure the image is stored securely in your SmugMug account. Repeat the process for any additional images you want to back up from your LinkedIn posts. Once you have backed up all necessary images, feel free to organize them into folders for easier access later. Your LinkedIn post images are now safely stored in SmugMug and can be accessed anytime. Review your galleries to ensure all uploaded images are visible and correctly titled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.